Connecticut and Virginia legalize recreational marijuana. Is the Mountain State far behind? Not if West Virginia delegate Sean Fluharty has anything to say about it.
7 News reporter Aaron Myler spoke with him earlier today on how this could benefit the state.
The writing's on the wall. We have to get moving. The state needs to move on this, and we have the opportunity here. While the window is closing, there's still an opportunity for West Virginia to get on board before most of our neighboring states.
Delegate Sean Fluharty said it is important to legalize cannabis before the rest of the country because of all of the positive effects.
What we do see is that we have job rates that increase, opportunity that increases for everybody, and actually the dependence on opioids decreases in states that go to adult use cannabis.
Fluharty said the increase in jobs would also have a positive effect on our dwindling population.
West Virginia young people are leaving at the highest rate in the country. What keeps them here? Opportunity and jobs. And we're not in a position to turn away the fastest growing job market in the United States.
Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas wrote in a statement that the U.S. prohibition against cannabis is contradictory. Thomas questioned whether the government has the right to intrude on cannabis markets that are already legal at the state level. That is apparent when looking at a memorandum that State Senator Ryan Weld said was in place.
They were not going to prosecute states that didn't adhere to federal marijuana laws. That memorandum was rescinded under the Trump administration, but it was never, federal law was never enforced despite that.
Weld also said legalized marijuana creates some discrepancies when it comes to our money.
The concern for the banking industry is that if you were to take a deposit from a medical marijuana dispensary and then allow it to be deposited into your general funds, you would be guilty of money laundering.
Weld said this is because you're taking money from a federally illegal activity and putting it into your bank. Whether or not recreational marijuana is legalized federally or in West Virginia, it seems like the Supreme Court is questioning the current laws. In Wheeling, I'm Aaron Myler, working for you.
Thank you very much, Aaron. Fluharty also said he wants to help us become the Colorado of the East with legalized recreational cannabis use. Stay with 7 News for any updates.